Good morning, guys. So we are going to go ahead and do Saxon Phonics lesson 134. And remember, these are all review lessons. On Monday, we reviewed consonant digraphs. On Tuesday, we reviewed vowel digraphs. Yesterday, we talked about letter combinations. So we're going to try to figure out what we're going to learn about today. Real quick, we're just going to go over some of our letter cards. Are you ready? So I have final syllable, T-I-O-N. Digraph UE, diphthong OU, ghost, digraph KN, digraph EI, trigraph TCH, digraph or diphthong OW, trigraph DGE, digraph AY, diphthong OY, digraph EY, digraph AW, final syllable DLE, digraph EA, digraph AU, digraph IE, ghost, digraph GN, combination AR, digraph EW, digraph OA, final syllable GLE, combination QU, final syllable BLE, combination WH, ghost, digraph WR, digraph PH, diphthong OI, and then final syllable FLE. All right, so today we are going to review the affixes we learned this year. So remember, those are prefixes and suffixes. Remember, pre comes before, suffix comes at the end. Remember, an affix is just a group of letters added to the beginning or the end of a root word that changes the word's meaning. So for example, if I say joy, I can add full and make it mean full of joy. So here are the suffixes that we learned about this year. We learned about S, ES. Remember, ES means the same thing as adding S, which is that more than one. It's just that the ES just helps us pronounce some of those words that ends with that hissing sound, so it makes it easier for us to pronounce. Then we have suffix ing, suffix ed, suffix er, suffix est, suffix les or suffix less, suffix ly, suffix ful, or you can say suffix full, suffix nes or ness, and then suffix y. All right, so let's look at an example of a word with each suffix. If I have the word dog, I can add the s to it and say dogs. It just means more than one. Okay, if I have the word box, it ends with that hissing sound, so I'm going to add the es and say boxes. That es helps me pronounce it. Okay, suffix ing, I have hoping, hoping. Now look, when I look at this word, it's got an O in front of a P, so I might think it's going to be short. But remember, when I add, I have a CVCE word that ends in that E, and I have a vowel suffix that begins with a vowel. I can't have that E and I by each other. I have to drop the E and add the ing, so it's actually hoping. If it was hopping with the short O, it would be the double P in the middle. I have suffix ed because I have part. Now listen to that ed, part. It sounds like a T. Remember that suffix ed can make 3 different sounds. I have softer, softer. I have biggest. Remember that est is telling me that I'm comparing things that have 3 or more things that I'm comparing. Hopeless. Remember that less means that you're saying that you're without something. So hopeless means that you're without hope. Quickly, hopeful. And then this is the opposite. The FUL means that you're full, so full of hope. Coldness, and then funny. All right. Now we're going to review our prefixes. Remember, we didn't have that many. We just talked about them last week. These are brand new, and there's not that many. We have UN, prefix UN, which remember is going to say not. So I have unkind, which means not kind, unable, which means not able, and unhappy, which means not happy. And then I have dis. dislike, disloyal, disable, and that means not to. And then pre, just like the word prefix, means before. So preview means to look at it before. Pre-cook means to try to cook before. And then prefix means, right, at the beginning of the word. All right, we are going to practice using those suffixes and prefixes of our activity sheet now.
Good morning, guys. All right, we're going to go ahead and do our worksheet. And this is, remember, we worked on suffixes and prefixes today, just kind of going back over them. So we're going to try our spelling sounds first. So if I make the z sound, how would you spell that? Z or S? Good job. How about the n sound? That's right, N. How about ah, ah? O, very good. W. W, remember sometimes we can hear that w that kind of goes together for that WH. How about the oo sound, oo? O, O, perfect. How about ool, ool? That's right, it's going to be L, and then at the end sometimes it can be LL, remember like the floss roll. How about the v, v sound? V, or it can be ending VE. How about the sound? O, O, good job. Okay, what about the f, f sound? F, or it can be ending FF. Good job. And then the full sound, full. Final syllable FLE. Good job. All right, let's try to spell some words with some of those endings. Are you ready? The first word we're going to try to spell is letters. Letters. So I have L, then the E, T. So let, and then I need my next syllable, ter. So T, ER, and then S, letters. Very good. How about eating? Eating, I have EA, very good. Remember, if I hear that E at the beginning, it's going to be an EA instead of EE. Eat, T, and then I have ing, that ing, ING, very good. How about smelled? Smelled, so I have SM, L. Remember, it's after a short E, so LL, smelled. Now remember, I hear the D, but it's trying to tell me that it's something I already did, so it's going to be ED. How about sleepless? Sleepless, so soul, SL, very good. Then E, P, and then less. That's right, LESS. Good job. All right, on number 15, let's try to spell sadly. Sadly, so S, then A, D, good job. And then that Lee. If I spell Lee, it's just going to be LY. Good job. Sickness. Sickness, so S, then I. Now, since it's a short I, when I hear the k, I need to use what? CK, that k sound is going to have CK after a short vowel. Sick, and then ness. NESS. Good job. How about longest? Longest, I have L, then O, NG. Very good, like ring. Okay, long, and then est. That suffix, EST. Good job. All right, and then wishes. Wishes, W, I, sh, SH, and then ES. Good job. All right, we're going to try to code a few words. Are you ready? So remember, these are prefixes and suffixes, so I need to make sure I look at the beginning and the end of the word first. So on the first word, what do you see at the end? I've got ER I have to box off. That's right. What else do I have? I've got EA and CH. Now remember, EA can make a couple different sounds. The most common is the long E, sneaky A. So each. Does teach make sense? Yes. So teacher. Teacher, which means remember somebody that teaches. All right, on number 20, what do you see? Suffix full or FUL. Very good. I need a box off. Then I've got an A in front of an N, so it's short, and I have digraph TH. So thankful. Thankful. Which one of these pictures do you think they mean to match with thankful? That's right. There's a pilgrim. Remember, it makes you think of Thanksgiving. They were thankful for the turkey. All right, let's try the next one. Oh, looky here. I've got prefix, UN, and I've got suffix, ED. I need a box off both of those. And then I have the AR in the middle, so mark. So unmarked. Unmarked. All right, so unmarked. So you can go down and look at the test. That test is unmarked. All right, let's try the next one. Are you ready? What do I have? I've got pre, and then I in front of X, so it's short. Prefix. Prefix. Very good. And so it's wanting us to match it to the picture, showing you a prefix. How about the next one? Oh, this is kind of tricky. Are you ready? DES. Very good. And then ED. What do I need to do now? This is actually a long A, so disabled. Disabled. So this car is disabled because it's broken down. All right, what else do I see on number 24? I have suffix UN, suffix ED, and then I have an O in front of a CK, so it's short. So unlocked. Unlocked. So where would I match that one to? That's right. The lock right there, you can tell that it's open. All right, and then our last one, what do you see? I've got ING, very good. I've got an I in front of an S, so it's short, and then I've got those two M's, so I can cross one of them off so I don't read it, okay? So swimming, swimming, very good. And we would match it to the picture of someone swimming. All right, on the back, remember there's a trick where I can figure out what my verbs are. That ING tells me it's something that's happening right now. So I have floating is a verb, napping, playing, sipping, watching, okay? All right, let's see what kind of sentences I can make with that, okay? All right, let's look at the boy first. And then I see my word boy. The boy, what's he doing? Is playing. Very good. The boy is playing. Good job. Okay. Then what's he playing with? A ball. That's right. You could say the ball. What's that ball doing? The ball is floating. Very good. The ball is floating. Good job. All right, guys, I want to see if you can figure out some more sentences using the words on this page, okay? All right, so you're going to write a couple sentences, and there's a couple words that you can practice at the bottom. All right, you guys have done an awesome job. Thank you.